Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix Google not working on Android or Google search not working on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to settings. Find out apps. Tap on it. Search for Google. Tap on Google. Tap force stop. Tap OK. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Tap OK or delete. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your device. After the restart, open your Play Store. Search for Google. Tap on Google. If you found any available update for your Google apps, then update it from here. In my case, there is no update available. After that, open the Google application. Tap on your profile icon. Tap on search history. Scroll down below. Tap on delete. Tap delete all time. Tap next. Tap delete. Tap OK. Now relaunch the Google application. This time I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.